Howdy guys, welcome. I'm gonna handhold this to save me setting another camera up. We're back here again. This is another attempt at flow art, and today I have a new weapon. I have a slinky. That is the idea. We'll see if that works. Yeah, I've got also. We don't know if that's going to work. That's an experiment in itself. So today is really just an experiment to see what I can come up with. So we're going to do a slinky pour and a calendar pour. We might do a flip cup or something. Oh well, that's it. So yes, camera set up, light set up, painting gear on, got my hat with a bit of paint on it, and we've got this lot. So just quick run through, we have some paint left over from last time, the cobalt blue, silver, burnt umber, the purple. I've also got a dark ultramarine purple. I've got some black, but not very much, it looks more than it is. I've got some yellow with a touch of quite cheap gold, a rather expensive gold, and some pink. Measured out pretty much 100ml of paint, 100ml of pouring medium, which is 90% Floetrol, 10% Liquitex. Okay, getting on. Starting to paint. Okay. Hello down there. Right, do you like my paint setup? I've made this. So, house paint and pouring medium pre-mixed. Water. Hello water. Still don't get that to dribble. You know what, I'm going to get a knife.
A few moments later.
There we go. The things. Consistency is key. Reuse a reused canvas. Leave that bit. Ooh, decisions. I'm going pink. Looks like a squid or an octopus. Now we could probably use the red. The red will go with that with pinky colour. I was wanting to use red, but we'll try the gold, which I'm going to sort of sprinkle over the top. Okay, gonna need more white paint mixture. I'm liking this. So I'm keeping that bit. Paint. We are going to do a slinky pour. Don't know if this is going to work, that's why we're trying it. That goes on there. What we're going to do, pour into here. Space. colours. You know what, I might just scrape that all together. Mark that down as a waste. Different camera. So, on a black canvas, attempt 2 is going to involve a lot more lighter colours. We'll go dark purple. It's leaking already. Go from dark so that it mixes together. In the centre, spiralling down. Does look like mustard, doesn't it? White paint. Two already vastly better. I'm going to move you so you can see this from here. Slinky's taking on a cool pattern. Weighed down with all the paint so it doesn't spring as much. Lack of cells. I'm gonna tip it this way, then that way, because I want to see if I can keep this. It's really 70s. It's almost like I want to move it. Locked. I'm liking the random paint white splodges just randomly there. I've got to get rid of some. Okay. Oh, there you go. What do you think? That wasn't bad, was it? This is not bad. This is definitely an improvement over the previous attempts of a Dutch pour. The paint moved a lot better. The consistency was better. Better quality paint very definitely helps. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Tell me what you see. I kind of see some fish and a rather odd sort of bird. Kind of like a Betta fish comes crow. Betta crow. Betta crow. There we go, that's the name of this painting. And then of course there's this thing. I'll smack myself in the face with that then. The first attempt of this wasn't very successful, as you sort of saw a rather quick blur of the attempt. But attempt 2, I'm quite pleased with. The gold is really quite cool. You can probably see, I can see that reflecting on the phone, so it must be just picking up somewhat. You saw me sort of adding to it with some lines and just adding, defining it a bit, because all I can see is an elephant sitting on a cloud, imagining a guy in a bunny suit fishing. Me knocking the camera. Sorry, lost train of thought. Yes. Elephant sitting on a cloud, imagining a guy in a bunny suit fishing. Obvious. I mean, what? It's as clear as plain as day, isn't it? What do you see? Do you see what I see? Or maybe you see it up this way and you see something completely different. Maybe it's a guy in a bunny suit imagining an elephant sitting on a cloud upside down. Or that way. Or that way. Let me know what you see. There were a couple of other attempts. Strangely, the video didn't seem to pick up some of it, so I don't know why. Colander pour, not calendar pour, as I said in the intro, presented me with this thing. And once again, it's either way up. That way up, it looks like a chrysanthemum. Or that way up looks like a fairy dance. Little fairies dancing in the middle. It's quite cool. The paint was inconsistent. The pinks and the whites were really watery, so it went through the colander quite well. The other colours just sat inside the colander and didn't drip through. Obviously, I need to do thinner paints next time. And just quickly, I had this, and I did attempt to film this, but again, they came after that, and that didn't show up. So this was a chopping block with knives in the top, and I don't use it, so I thought I'd do a flip cup on it. I flipped all the remaining colours out into it and ended up with that. It's quite cool. So yeah, there we go. That's it, that's enough. I think that's 4 or 5 pictures in one video. Most people do one. Get your money's worth here, and I hope you do enjoy these and like these and want to come back for more, because there is going to be a lot more flow art videos, because I found something I enjoy doing and it's fun, and you get very random results, and every time it's something odd or new or weird or whatever. But there'll also be more out and about in London. There may be some more climbing videos in the future, but with the way things are, we don't know what we're doing. So yes, out and about in London, being creative. That's what we do here. I hope you like it, and if you do give this a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, and do please subscribe. I don't mean to keep on, but I'm making these videos and no one seems to be clicking subscribe. Everyone's watching them, 90% of viewers are watching these and not subscribing. Just click it. Alright, enough rambling, enough thing. You've got things to do. I will see you again soon, hopefully. Come back next time for something else. Bye! No one's wondering, my washing machine's going full proper Molly Leach style. And being creative in London, and being in London, no, it doesn't work. In London, being creative, lost my train of thought again. This is really a habit. Oh, yes, we know, you're there. We know. We have to film you at all times. I'm trying to film the painting. Thank you.